What's up guys? So this will be a quick video on how to install AutoCAD. Okay, so with me here I have the setup files for installing AutoCAD. I'll leave them somewhere so that you guys can download them. A quick disclaimer is that I'm installing AutoCAD 2007. That's the one I currently have available. So if you are willing to install 2007, that's fine with me. So quickly run over to the setup file. So click and she'll just run it as admin. Click yes. So apparently I already have AutoCAD installed, but I'll just show you how you can install it. Yeah. So you should be welcome to this screen. What you should do next is select standalone installation, click on install, then give it time. Apparently AutoCAD is already installed on my machine. So what I'll do, I think, let me just uninstall it and install it again so that you guys can go and flow with me through this process. Okay guys, so I think it's done. I think it's done uninstalling. So let's install it. Click again on install. Okay, click on OK. Give it time to install. It's taking a bit of time. I don't want this video to be so lengthy, so I'll try and fasten up everything. So just accept the terms and services. Then here, this is the part. To acquire this serial number, you'll go back to the setup file for AutoCAD and go to go to key, then go to AutoCAD, install notes and open. Now we are going to copy and paste this. Copy and paste. Where is it? Pastes. Apparently I can't copy the whole of it. Can't paste the whole of it. Yeah. So click next. Here you can enter your credentials. Anything goes. Click next. Then you just use the typical. Then install Express Tools. So enable it, then click next. Click next. Then next. Then next. You see, it's so easy. Just click next. Let's close this. Don't think we need it anymore. So please wait, installation in progress. Okay guys, so halfway through the installation process, you'll be hit by this error. Just click on ignore.
One eternity later.
Nice. So we can just finish the process, and there we have it. But we are not yet done. We need to authorize the software, guys. So just search for authorize software. click on it, and then we are going to authorize the products. So next, so here we'll need to input some, oh god, okay guys, we're going to copy these two DLL files, and then you're going to put them in local disk, program 86 AutoCAD, yeah, and paste them there. Then replace the files, continue, and you're done. So let's try and open AutoCAD, and AutoCAD should be working. So if it brings this error, just say no. And there you have it guys, that was so easy. Can use AutoCAD Classic, click OK. So thanks guys for watching. If you really enjoy my videos, don't forget to like. Please guys, let's subscribe. Let's hit the 50 subscribers, and I'll be having a giveaway. So thanks guys for watching. Goodbye.